Rising Shine mga kabengbeng, welcome to Mr. Yuhay Papi. So unboxing po tayo and quick review ng ating bagong unit na SRC na Hi-Capa 4.3 Tartarus MK1. Yan. So meron din po tayong available nito na Elite and yung ating Helios. And then syempre bago yan meron tayong mga two-tone and yung mga other Hi-Capa na color black. Ayan, so ito po ay yung SRC Tartarus 4.3. Ayan, so unboxing po tayo. At syempre may mga previous yan. Cup, mug, and socks. And then nasa loob yung ating sticker. Ayan, so may kasama siyang manual, user guidelines, assemble and disassemble. Ayan. Safety procedure and syempre yung ating sticker. Ayan. And then magazine capacity dahil Hi-Capa 30 rounds, so may base pad niyang kasama. Ayan, so, napakagandang unit nito at malakas. So ito yung ating unit na Tartarus na 4.3. So always trigger finger out, toy only, airsoft gas blowback pistol. Ayan, so quick review lang po lang tayo. And so dahil 4.3 siya, yung FPS niya halos nasa 300 to 320. Ayan, so powered by green gas, adjustable hop up. And then yung top slide niya is metal. And then yung also yung material niya is metal and polymer. Then yung frame niya metal. Yung grip niya ay SRC polymer plastic. And then ito po ay blowback system. Ayan. And then so meron siya ditong magwell. Ito yung magazine release, slide lock. Ayan, trigger guard, trigger. And then meron siyang dito sa lower frame, meron siyang mounting ready for attachment for laser and flashlight. Ayan, so front sight and rear sight. So may white dot dito yan. So yun lang. Ayan, so yung kanyang design. Ayan, so ang ganda. Ayan, so naka ambidextrous safety. Left and right. Ayan. And then halos kumbaga naka-fix barrel na rin naman siya. Pero syempre kung gusto niyo pang ma-fix barrel pa lalo yan. Yan, so pwede niyo rin yung pong i-upgrade yung outer barrel, yung internal parts, no. Yan, so yung rear sight niya removable and adjustable. Yan. Yan, so constructed by metal and alloy polymer. Yan, so sinabi ko na rin po yung hop-up adjustable. And then yung alloy trigger, yung magazine release niya, yan. And then threaded barrel. Yan. So naka tactical sights na siya. Yan. Yeah, safety grip pad, slide lock system, full working safety. And then yung magwell niya pwedeng mag-replace ng ng mas malaki pa sa kanya, no. Yan. So ito po ay stock na magwell. Yan, pwedeng replace ng mga magwell na kung gusto niyo mas pagandahin pa yung inyong unit, no. So yung magazine niya ay green gas. So meron po ding CO2 magazine para sa SRC, no. Ayan. Yan, so yung kanyang grip, yan po yung mga markings niyan, yung logo. Ayan. And then may serration dito sa rear sight niya, sa bandang rear slide. Yan. Yan po yung kanyang design. Yan. So SRC Hi-Capa 4.3 Tartarus MK1. Napaka-solid nito, ang ganda. Okay, thank you.